Thokozani lesedi khanya tsamaya ko ndawo e shewe. Guys, let's discuss this, right? A lot of you why are you wasting your time uhlola ubuza ukuthi is this man for me? Uyangithanda, uzongishada. Why waste your time on that? Why waste your time on that? If a man wants to marry you, they'll marry you. If not, they will not. Indoda should be the last thing you even do to try ukuyohlola. Yabona mina umuntu maqala abuza ngeboyfriend futhi it's even worse. Ngivele yo you know, it's one thing if umuntu umfazi we understand. Girlfriend wenzani? Kwesinye isikhathi you forcing yourself to be part of a family that even idlozi la lapho alikufuni. Alikufuni idlozi la lapho when we are forced. Yingakho nedlozi lakho likiyeka naye idlozi lakhe limiyeka akuchithela adlala ngawe akushaya because they don't want lo muntu. It's a sign. Wenzani uloku forced? Moshimali yohlolela indoda. That time you should be worrying about having to find out ngawe ngedlozi lakho where you need to be, what you need to fix, generational curses, umsamo. Wena into ecabangayo indoda. Mau the volume. Indoda nje. Munna. A man. Guys, no. I guess abanye abantu, there's people who have money to play. Mali yokudlala nje, mali yokuhlola. Shishi go dress up. Hlolela indoda, abantu banemali la ngaphandle. Abantu banemali. You guys have money to play. Mhlambe nihlangana nezinyanga ezithanda imali mina shem awa fana ume kancane ngamane nje ujike ne300 yakho ngamane ujike ne300 yakho Nkosi yami ngoba ngeke ngienjoy ngizoyidla kabuhlungu ngoba ngiyoyidla ngiloko ngizibuza imibuzo ukuthi and then ugeli vele nje wathi nje u300 ngiyawukhipha. Hayi asinamona qhubekani. But anyway, Thokozani lesedi khanya qaba ko ndawo eshewe.